Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, my name is Kainat Parveen and I am in class 4. Today I want to talk about the importance of namaz, salah in our lives. Namaz is the second pillar of Islam and is the first thing we will be asked about on the day of judgment. It is not just a duty, it is a way to connect it with Allah 5 times a day. When we stand in prayer, we leave behind all our words and thoughts dirty to our Creator. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, prayer is the key to the paradise. Namaz protect us from bad deeds and keep our head clean. It makes us disciplined and reminding us that Allah will always watching. It's regularly prayer our head become peacefully and we feel closer to Allah. No matter who busy we are, we should never miss our prayer. It's remember try to school or work. It's remember is more important than anything else. But it's bring ideas and brilliance. Let us all make today to pray and teach our family and friends to do the same. May Allah help us always prayer and accept our salah. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.